Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Jackie and I am an international student dito sa Canada. In this video guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung aking journey as an international student from application to my daily life as much as possible being an international student. Nung nag-apply din ako guys before or yung nag-plan ako na maging international student, nanood din ako ng maraming videos na nakatulong sa akin na ma-approve yung aming visa. Yes guys, we are family of 3. Kasama ko dito yung aking asawa at ang aking anak. Dumating kami dito last August 10. My husband as an open work permit and my daughter as a student minor. So that was 19 days ago. Okay, so siguro ngayon lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng time para mag-vlog about this topic. By the way guys, disclaimer, I'm not an immigration consultant or immigration advisor or an agency. All I will share to you is just my experience doing my application. Okay, so yun nga guys, just to give you a background, no, we used to be an OFW. Mga OFW kami from Macau. Me personally, I was 10 years na working in Macau sa isang coffee shop. And yung husband ko, yung asawa ko, sa Macau din siya nagtatrabaho. Kwento ko na rin sa inyo next video kung bakit nga ba Canada. And syempre hindi pa kami natakot na baka scam, they said, yung Canada. So siguro in the future videos I give you my thoughts bakit we decided to come here. And also guys, if you come across this channel maybe na you have plans to become an international student dito sa Canada, and or meron kang kapatid or family or friends na gusto din na maging international student, I will appreciate guys if you will like or share this to them. For me, na ganahan naman din ako or para gumawa pa ako ng mga content or future videos na ma-share sa inyo. And siguro guys, for now, yan na lang muna yung aking ma-share sa inyo para mas maganda kung per topic na lang yung ating i-content para hindi naman masyadong mahaba or makakainip yung video yung i-share ko sa inyo. Anyway guys, September 5 pa naman yung aming pasukan. Marami pa tayong time para magkwentuhan. I will upload the video if I can. Siguro even every day I will try to upload since na wala naman pa akong gagawin dahil hindi pa naman nag-start yung class namin. By the way, alam nyo naman na yung pwede lang kayo mag-start ng work kung start na rin yung class nyo. So, in the meantime, gagawin ko na lang siguro muna. Meron pa akong more than a week para gumawa ng mga videos para sa inyo. So, kung meron kayong mga tanong, concerns, or suggestion, you can just leave comment below and I will try to be responsive and ma-replyan kayo as soon as possible. So, yun muna, and thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Jackie and Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm Jackie and I'm an international student.